Okay, just hit the bonus again. Let's go see what happens. Last spin, 49-cent bonus. Okay, return to Crystal Forest at Red Hawk Casino. I got 10 spins at max bet on free play, so let's see what happens.
Can you beat my bonus? That's the question.
What was your bonus?
Oh, on this, I mean,
oh.
There was like 20.
Oh. Snowflake. $15. Come on, Crystal. Dang it. Okay, that's it for Return to Crystal Forest at Red Hawk. Okay, I'm at Red Hawk Casino and playing Yardbirds 3, Return of the Chicken. There's your progressive. And there's your screen. $100 in. Turn up that volume. I love that chicken bones come out and wishbones and all that when you touch it. And $1.80 spin. Let's see what happens. Hit it. Ooh. So the jackpot symbol, you need to get 5 jackpots to win that jackpot, which was at $10,800. But I'm betting $1.80, so it's only worth half that amount. Come on. Do something. The Yardbirds did this to me last time. Oh, wish those boxes would have stayed there. Come on. Yeah, I'm going to drop it to 120. I don't know if that means there's a line hit coming. Ooh, wow. $16. Finally something. Alright, I'm going to continue to play, and if I get a bonus or something, I'll record it and add to it. Okay, I increased my bet to 240, and I hit the bonus. So, this is interesting, alright? Okay, next egg. I got one more egg to go. Nice bonus. Okay, let's keep going. And I actually did it when I was stopping the reels, doing this, and then I hit the bonus. Play down to 40. Nice, $36. Okay, maybe I'll play this down to $60. We're really boinking. $14.16. I'm gonna do one more spin. Alright, that was Yardbirds 3, Return of the Chicken at Red Hawk.